Now let's talk about Jasmy price update real quick. It's been a while, guys. So we're going to be looking at this Jasmy price chart on the 4-hourly time frame. We are going to be talking about this RXI on the daily time frame for Jasmy once again. This RXI is already playing out according to how we predicted in our last video, if you paid attention. And we are going to be looking at the Jasmy liquidation heat map in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect in the long run. We are going to be talking about this total cryptocurrency market cap, and then to get a clear picture of what we should expect. Now let's not forget, we are going to be talking about this BTC price chart that illustrate what usually happens after BTC halving. Now if you check it historically, this BTC price chart, we usually get a massive price pump after BTC halving. It happens in 2012 halving. After the 2012 halving, BTC got over 8,000% pump. After the 2016 halving, BTC got over 2,700% pump. After the 2020 halving, what happened? BTC got over 580% pump to the upside. Now this is 2024. What are we expecting? If we are to get just 200% pump from here, is going to be massive already for the price of BTC. It's going to be very, very massive. We're going to be looking at this chart, and we're going to be, let's just talk about this total cryptocurrency market cap already. Now as you can see, I think if you ask me, we are already at this level right here, you understand, which was around $390 billion market cap for the overall cryptocurrency market in August 2020. Now this is exactly what is playing out right now, which is, for now we are currently at $1.2 trillion market cap for the overall cryptocurrency market, you understand. Now if you ask me, we still have massive room to pump to the upside. We can even pump to, I think my minimum price target for this market cycle should be $6 trillion. Honestly, $6 trillion is very, very realistic for we to pump massively to the upside. Now let's just talk about Jasmy on the 4-hourly time frame real quick. We are going to be talking about Jasmy on the weekly time frame as well as on the daily time frame. By the way, let's even begin with the daily time frame, because this was what we discussed in our last video. Now this is the daily time frame, and I told you guys we are likely to range inside this zone. That is what is happening. We broke below that zone. By the way, the link to join my group will be in the description of this video. I gave the signal when we broke below this zone. I gave a long signal on Jasmy, and the price target was exactly what we talked about in our previous videos, which is 0.017. You understand? That was the price target, and we came out with massive success. Some came out with 20 something, some 100 and something percent, depending on the leverage you used. So yeah, join the group if you want to catch our next Jasmy futures price futures trading signal. Yeah, so we came back down. I knew Jasmy was going to retest this 0.017 zone once again, because that zone is a very, very important zone. So when we broke down, I took the long position when a lot of people were panicking, and then I and my community member, be the private and the public group, we took long position there and then sold back. We exited our long position at 0.07. You understand? Now I personally privately went on another long position when we broke above there, and sold at this zone, you understand, at around 0.020. So that's that for that. As long as Jasmy is above 0.017, I think there's no cause for alarm. By the way, let's even head to the 4-hour time frame for you to get a clear picture. Now if you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, if Jasmy is to continue to dump to this zone, then it is going to be a massive long entry opportunity. The price of Jasmy is currently at around 0.017965. We have 1 hour 39 minutes left for this 4-hour candle to close. So you have to pay attention. Either we get a pump, a straight pump back to around 0.019 or let me just say, yeah, all these zones, all these price zones you're saying is potential price target. If Jasmy should dump here, the better reversal to the upside we are going to get. So don't panic sell, please. Rather, I'll be taking a long position. I'll be setting my limit order by the time Jasmy dipped to this zone, and if it doesn't, then I'm likely to have missed out on the run to the upside, because it might as well run to the upside briefly to around 0.0197 and also 0.01943. So that zone is also a very valid zone for either a correction for Jasmycoin and a take profit area depending on the position you're in. Now, for the long-term holders, Jasmy can get to $1. It's very, very possible. Very, very, very possible. We talked about this RSI. We've talked about this RSI times without number, and in the last video was when I drew this on price projection. Now, if you're paying attention to the green line right now, you notice the Jasmy RSI followed the exact price projection we drew. Now, I drew it, I said it was going to retest here. That was what happened. The RSI retested, got a bounce, and now it has dropped a little bit again. So we have now broken out of the falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern for Jasmy RSI on the daily time frame. So I see no cause for you to panic sell at all. Now, this is the stages in the financial market bubble, and if you ask me, we are already in the we are around the bear trap stage, which is also in between, the media attention stage and not also the public stage. The media phase is the phase which a lot of people are going to, oh my God, I need to go back to crypto. That is the stage a lot of people are going to remember, oh, there's something like crypto, we need to enter. So you are still very early because we haven't even really taken off yet. Let's just look at the BTC, what's it called? Fear and greed index real quick. So this is the BTC fear and greed index. The market is now the market is still sitting greedy. Actually, we closed yesterday with neutral 53%. A lot of people were confused. Last week we greed. That is, we are reducing. The market is gradually moving into the phase of what's it called? The greed, the fearful phase. You understand? A lot of people are getting scared already due to the correction we are still experiencing in the BTC price chart. Let's just look at Jasmy holders percentage gain so far. Now, if you're paying attention, the long-term holders percentage gain is steadily increasing to the upside. We've talked about this percentage gain times without numbers, and each day we make a content, we get an increase. As long as our long-term holders continues to climb, the percentage continues to increase, we are good to go. There's no cause for alarm. These are the 51.49% is the percentage of those who have held Jasmy for more than 12 months. So that's a welcome development. Why is this 41.88% is those, let me just say, more like swing traders? Why this trader right here is more, they are 6.6% traders are those who are into day trading and scalping. So they are very insignificant. There's nothing to worry about them. And if we're looking at the Jasmy market cap, we are currently sitting at $886 million. We are ranked number 89th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So as long as we are still among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, we are good to go. There's no cause for alarm. We shouldn't be surprised by the time we see Jasmy among the top 10 cryptocurrencies, which is going to give us a market cap of more than 20 billion. The current price is currently at 0.01799. We are down minus 1.4% in the last 24 hours. The overall cryptocurrency market is kind of down. As you can see, the overall cryptocurrency market volume is down minus 42.2%. Jasmy trading volume personally is down minus 50%, and we are currently at $20.3 million. The trading volume isn't looking good, but the moment we start getting a surge, a massive surge in our RXI momentum for Jasmycoin, we should expect the trading volume to skyrocket as well. Now, this is the BTC dominance. The dominance is sitting at 54%. We need to see the dominant bleed all the way to 47 and also 42% in order to give rooms for our altcoin bag to explode. Alt season is coming, guys. Please and please hold your horses. Hold your horses tight. This is the weekly time frame for Jasmycoin. Like I said, I don't see Jasmy price losing this zone. The zone between 0.015 and also 0.0179. Now, what happened? That last dump we got, which a lot of you got scared. This was the chart that gave me the should I say, the motivation to go long with my Jasmy long trade then. Now, when I saw that it has dipped to that zone, I'm like, okay, I think this is a nice zone to enter a long position, because this zone is a very important zone. As long as Jasmy is trading above here, you have no reason to panic sell, please. Because the moment, let's just go back to this Jasmy chart real quick. Where is the chart? Good. The moment we are able to successfully flip the zone between 0.025 and also 0.028 into a support, then it's going to be a moonshot all the way to 0.038 and also 0.050 zone for Jasmy. And the moment we are flipping that zone into a support, then expect 0.8 cents to happen. 8 cents is likely to be a walkthrough for Jasmycoin, which is, if you ask me, 12 cents is more realistic, very, very realistic to happen in a short time, the moment we are hitting 8 cent price target. Now, a lot of people are likely to take profit around this 8 cents, so you have to pay attention to that. But the dump is not going to be much. It's not going to take long before we get to 12 cents immediately. Now, we have other price target, but I would reserve those ones until we hit 12 cents before we can proceed with the remaining price target. This is the total 3 altcoin market cap. We haven't even hit our all-time high yet. That is to say, we still have massive rooms for our altcoin to explode. Please and please, this is the best time to position. My name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, please. I really appreciate your support. Peace out.